welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys a gift that my big sister gave me recently. Before I show you guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Start with this. This is a Hello Kitty planter. I think this is a real plant. I believe this is from Hobby Lobby. It's gonna look so adorable in my room. I love the little strawberry. It's very summer vibes. This is the next thing. Little like notepad. All the pages are so cute. This is great for like grocery list and just to-do list because I'm a very forgetful person. So I was really excited about this. So this is a Hello Kitty ice bag. This is great. I use ice packs a lot when I'm not feeling good. Oh my gosh. The limited edition Hello Kitty makeup brush set. It says that these are durable and easy to wash. They have soft silky bristles, and this is from La Creme Shop. We have a precise shader, a blending brush, an angle detail brush, a blush brush, and a powder brush. And these are all vegan and cruelty free, which we love. You guys see the heart in the like harder metallic area? We're just gonna see how this feels. Ooh. It actually feels so nice and soft, just like the packaging said. And I feel like it's applying everything really nicely. So first impressions, loving the brush set. This is a Hello Kitty air fresheners. It comes in a 2-pack, I believe. We're about to open this up right now. The front and the back. This is supposed to smell like strawberry, and it very much smells like strawberry. It looks cute, it smells good, it's everything. We have this Impressions Vanity Hello Kitty mirror, and it is shaped like a little Hello Kitty bow. This is actually really cute. I have actual like Hello Kitty like shorts, sleepwear shorts that I'm wearing out. But it all kind of goes. Okay, this is so cute. Different settings. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 settings depending on what vibe you want. I love little bags. I especially love this one. 1, because it was gifted to me and I love gifts, but 2, because of how like wide it is. It has a little secret compartment here. The up close and the other side. Rose lip balm organic oil. So I got this Hello Kitty light. Now this was not gifted to me by my sister, but by somebody else. And this is so cute. Who doesn't want to wake up and go to sleep with like hearts surrounding them? Hoop gold Hello Kitty earrings. I love these earrings. These earrings actually make me so happy right now. Now these ones are just studs with like little rhinestones, and they just have the iconic Hello Kitty face. I do have double pierced ears, so I could probably put this on the other piercing, but I feel like that would be overkill. Hello Kitty pendant necklace. I'm not a fan of the actual chain part though, so we're gonna use a gold chain that I have and put the pendant on it. Okay, so I already have like other jewelry on, but this is what the Hello Kitty necklace is giving. That brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys. You are the absolute best. Don't forget to give yourself and people you love around you some love today.